गुड मॉर्निंग यूट्यूब। तो आज मैं आपको प्रेजेंट करने वाली हूँ अ शॉर्ट डे ट्रिप फ्रॉम बैंगलोर टू अवलाबेट्टा विच इज़ नियर अबाउट 100 किलोमीटर्स। इट कम्स अंडर चिकबल्लापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट और ये एक हिल टॉप है। इट्स लाइक अ मिनी वर्जन ऑफ नंदी हिल्स। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So, if you live in and around Bangalore, or if you're visiting the city, I would say this is, you should not miss paying a visit to this place. This is pretty similar to that of Nandi Hills. However, it is a mini version of the Nandi Hills. It is a place to relish the same scenic beauty as that of the Nandi Hills, but without the commotion. So, standing on the hilltop, you can witness a magical view of lush green trees and rocky terrain, which is spread profusely. So Avalabetta is actually a place filled with tranquility, especially if you witness a sunrise or the sunset standing atop. The road is absolutely beautiful. You have to take the Bellary Road, then the National Highway 44. Throughout the road, throughout the journey, I could see the paddy fields, the lush greenery, the sylvan surroundings. So it's a beautiful place. Like I said, it's a one-day trip. You can we started at 7 o'clock in the morning and we returned by 7:30 back to Bangalore. So it's pretty beautiful, like I said. यहाँ पर आपको टवर्ड्स इन द फुट हिल्स में आपको एक क्या बोलते हैं, अ टेम्पल, आपको एक टेम्पल भी मिलेगा जो लक्ष्मी नरसिम्हा का टेम्पल है. यू कैन आप वहाँ पर इट्स अ पायस प्लेस, सो यू कैन एक्चुअली गो एंड visit the temple as well, which is complemented by the pristine surroundings. Near the foothills, you have to park your car or your vehicle. However, it was scorching outside. The sun, I didn't want to bask in the sunlight because it was summer when we went. So we parked our car and then we we thought we had to park our car, but fortunately we did not have to, because we took permission and we went via car to the hilltop. And there in this area you will find a fort, a dam as well, but we did not want to visit it because, like I said, it was scorching outside and I didn't want to dehydrate myself. There is also a government guest house at the top of the Avalabetta hill, which is run by the forest department. So if you want to stay there, you can do that as well. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, अभी मैं चल रही हूँ पूरा हिल टॉप के ऊपर, शार्प बेंड्स, but like I said, the road is pretty broad, so we did not have any problem. Beautiful trees, beautiful sylvan surroundings, और यहाँ पर मैंने बहुत सारे फ़ोटोशूट भी किए हैं. दिस इज़ द एक्चुअल हिल टॉप जहाँ पर आपको सीढ़ियों से चढ़ना पड़ेगा. देयर नियर अबाउट 100 to 150 स्टेयर्स, एंड दिस इज़ द एक्चुअल हिल टॉप. ये है अवलाबेट्टा पीक. दो यू आर नॉट सपोज टू गो इनसाइड, बट जैसे कि आप देख सकते, बहुत सारे लोग, 2-3 लोग आपको दिखाई देंगे यहाँ पर. सब लोग सेल्फी ले रहे थे, वीडियो शूट कर रहे थे, बट आई डिड नॉट गो because I have vertigo and I was pretty scared. Even videography करने के लिए भी बहुत डर लग रहा था. So people, if you have vertigo, be very careful. And I cannot stress the fact enough that if you're visiting this place in summer, winter, be it autumn, spring, please keep yourself hydrated. Carry loads of water with you because it can be dry at times. And I wouldn't recommend you to buy water from there. So carry your own water and keep yourself hydrated at all times. This is a very short vlog because there is nothing much to show, and आप पूरा चिकबल्लापुर देख सकते हो from this hilltop. So Avalabetta is actually a perfect getaway to get a break from your monotonous routine life. It is filled with pictures, places to visit, like I said, the dam, then then you have the fort. So this is gonna be will be a treat for your eyes. The tranquility that surrounds this place will make you relax and let you cherish the small moments in life with your loved ones. If you are a trekker, trekking, will bring you closer to nature. Your lungs, which are otherwise polluted by the low quality of air in the cities, you can finally breathe a sigh of relief to get a breath of fresh air. So, like I said, now I'm traveling back to Bangalore, and I had a fun filled day. So मिलते हैं आपके साथ एक नए vlog में, एक नए वीडियो के साथ. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.